Okay, guys, I see many of you have joined. We can start. Can someone please confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was talking about the recovery service vault. Recovery service vault can be created from here, and it can be created from the backup page of machine. When you go to machine and you see backup, if there is no recovery service vault, you can create it from there. Okay. Let me show it to you now. So from here, if you create, you simply have to select the subscription, select a resource group. It's not compulsory that your resource group of your machine and your recovery service vault should be same. Okay, there's no compulsion. In fact, on most of the services, there is no compulsion except for one. Can someone quickly tell me which is that service? Where you have the dependency on resource group.
Could you please repeat your
Availability
question?
set.
Availability set.
Availability set.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Now, so I was saying, Prabhat, you asked me to repeat. I was saying that there is no dependency that my recovery service vault should be in the same resource group where my machines are. जिन मशीन के मैं बैकअप लेने वाला हूँ वो और मेरा रिकवरी सर्विस वॉल्ट एक रिसोर्स ग्रुप में हो, ये कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. Got it, guys?
Got it.
But the
Yes.
region should be same. That is a compulsion. If I create a resource vault in somewhere here in West India, let me see my machines. I'll give you the live example. It will be useful. So I have 4 machines in East US. One is in Central India. So let me create this one is in Central India. Click next. Redundancy, I will be covering this when we cover storage. As of now, I'm taking locally redundant. Encryption, we have already learnt about it, right? What is Microsoft managed key and what is customer managed key? This is also known as platform managed key. Your PMK, this also it's Microsoft managed key, and we have learned what is user managed key. Networking, as of now, just let's keep it allow for public. First one. Tags we have seen. Let's create it. What is the name of my vault? It is UT Cloud -vault. So now if I go to machine, and it is in Central India. Okay, if I go to this machine, if I go to backup, can you guys see? I can see it here. The cloud, the one which is being created, recovery service vault. I can already see it here. Can you guys see it? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
Suraj.
If I do not want to use this and if I want to create a new one, I can create it from here also. I've told you this already, guys, that there are multiple methods to create one thing in Microsoft. Not only in Azure, with Microsoft, this is the case. You'll have many methods. So one thing, you can go to portal and create it from here. Second thing, you can come to machine and create a new from here. And if you want to check existing one, select on existing and select that one. Is this clear, guys? Recovery service vault. Is this clear till here?
Yes,
Yeah.
Suraj.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if I go to this machine instead of my DC, if I go to this machine and backup, on this machine I already have a backup. So let's go ahead and check on some other machine. Here. Will I see UT Cloud Vault here?
No,
Why not?
because it was created for the different machine.
Is it machine
For
specific?
It is
It's a
region.
region specific.
Region.
Yes.
the
Region.
regions.
Yeah, the correct answer should be because that service vault is created in Central US. So all the machines which are there in Central US, you will be able, those machines will be able to see it. Machines which are not in Central US, any other region, they will not be able to see it. Right? So if I go here, what do you think if I select existing one, will I see any resource, any service vault or not?
No.
Whatever the walls we have created in that
Look
specific
at this. I
region.
am saying my VM001 it is
Yeah.
being backed up already. Can I back up a machine without recovery service vault?
Mm,
No.
ye-
Clear no.
no.
We cannot create a machine. We cannot have a machine backed up without creating a resource vault. You create it separately. Sorry, the service vault, recovery service vault. You create it separately, or you create it at the time of first backup, but you have to create it. So you cannot back up a machine without having a recovery service vault. Is this thing clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes.
So when I say that my VM001, it is already being backed up. इस पे backup लगा हुआ है. What does it mean? What all things will you conclude with this statement?
Already
It can be
service
recovered or
vault has
it's
been,
secured.
created.
Already created.
What is created?
A recovery service vault has been
Sorry, vault.
created.
Yeah, the moment I say that my VM1 is being backed up, which means there is a recovery service vault. And where is it, guys? If this machine is in East US, so where is my recovery service vault?
East US.
East
East
US.
US.
Now, if I ask the
East
same
US.
question for this machine, कि यार इस machine पे मेरे पास recovery service vault तो नहीं है. I mean, sorry, इस machine पे backup नहीं है. And now I want to start the backup on this machine. And when I go to existing one, will I see a recovery service vault or not?
Yes, existing. you
Yes,
will be
it
able
is
to
in
see.
the same
Will
region.
be.
Yes, because ये भी East US में है, so I should be able to see it. Can you see? Vault 366 and new vault. I mean, this is not an option to create a new vault. ये मैंने बस किसी vault को नाम दे दिया था new vault. So don't get confused. If I want to create a new vault, I have an option here. Can you guys see it? Create a new, select existing. Under existing in East US, I have two vault, 366 and another one who has name as new vault. Clear है guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now under vault, we have some policies, right? As of now, guys, we are just talking about the backup. Don't worry about the disaster recovery. Okay? Just the backup. Backup की हमारी कुछ policies है, जो already बनी हुई policies है, and you can amend them. You can create a new one also. One is enhanced policy, the default policy. Frequently asked questions में से है enhanced policy और standard policy में क्या difference है, right? So we have one is enhanced policy. What will it do? It will not, okay? It will not do it by default, but it can take the multiple backups per day. मतलब एक मशीन का मैं दिन में 4 बार भी बैकअप ले सकता हूँ. मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, then evening 6 o'clock, then again midnight. I can do that 3 times, 4 times, जितना मुझको चाहिए, I can do that. Is this clear, guys? Is this point clear?
Yes.
Okay. Second point, up to 30 days operational tier retention. ये operational tier retention का मतलब क्या है? ये जो 3 machines मैं बता रहा था आपको, this is your retention one. Enhanced policy में इस तरह से आप 30 रख सकते हो. Vault में जाने से पहले 30 आप vault के बाहर रख सकते हो. Is this clear?
Yes.
What is the difference? अब other than यहाँ पर तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यहाँ cost ज्यादा लगेगा. So why would I want that feature? इसको as a feature क्यों बेच रहे हो आप? What do you think? कि यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर क्या difference है? I told you this could be on a tape or a CD drive, कहीं पर दूर रखा होगा save, and this is immediately on the next disk available. So what is the difference do you find? Obviously पैसे उसमें ज्यादा जा रहे हैं इस वाले में, ठीक है, but what is the difference? What is the benefit? Why would someone want कि यार इसमें extra option होने चाहिए? What comes to your mind?
Easy accessible.
Easy accessible.
In
Easily
what terms?
accessible.
When will you access these images, by the way?
At
If
the
you
time
have
correct, right?
of backup.
Sorry, at the time of
backup.
Backup.
बैकअप तो आपने कर लिया ना. ये बैकअप इमेजेस की तो बात चल रही है. बैकअप कर
Sorry,
लिया, ये बैकअप इमेज है.
To
At the
recover.
time of
Yeah,
store,
Restore.
yes,
Restore.
to restore. So if I restore something from here, this is going to take 6 hours. The numbers are just example, okay guys? It completely varies on the size of machine. बहुत सारी चीजों पे vary करता है. But same size, सब कुछ same. If you restore from here, it is going to take 6 hours. If you restore it from here, it is going to take 1 hour. Now you understand what is the difference between these two?
Yeah.
and this is
Yes.
called your retention images. तो यहाँ पर आप 30 रख सकते हो, 30 days के रख सकते हो, ठीक है. Enhanced policy supports the trusted launch Azure VM. Where is this option trusted वाला? Can anyone remember?
Security.
Yes.
In VM
When you go
security.
to create a VM, guys, if you have seen it, and I've always asked you to select the standard one. अभी तक भी standard ही use होता है काफी. What is the difference in that? We don't have to worry about it. या अगर आप लोगों को जानना है एक बार पढ़ सकते हो फिर भी, or you can check here. But this is the one. Standard, trusted, confidential. So the enhanced policy supports trusted virtual machine as well. It supports for VM with ultra disk and premium SSD v2. Now I hope you understand it very well because I have covered it in detail. Right? आप लोगों ने homework भी किया, task भी किया आप लोगों ने, जहाँ पे you have selected SSD etc. So if my machine which has which is a trusted Azure VM and it has SSD version 2, and someone is asking, your client is asking you to put a backup plan, will you ever suggest this to them? Yes guys, will you ever suggest a standard plan to them, standard policy?
No.
No, it is not, it is not helpful for them. Backup होगा ही नहीं उनके, इन disk का backup होगा ही नहीं ये जब तक नहीं है, because it is only supported in enhanced one. Okay, now let's look at the standard में once a backup, एक ही बार दिन में backup होता है, time you can select. यहाँ पर भी multiple backups, you can select the instances also and time also. यहाँ पर एक ही बार होगा, time you can select. And retention images कितने रख सकते हैं?
5 days only.
5
Is this
days.
clear guys to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go ahead and select standard या enhance. चलो enhance standard पे जाते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. अब standard policy जो है यहाँ पर already बनी हुई है. The moment I select the standard policy, इसका time वगैरह सब कुछ selected है. But do you think ये जो pre-existing format है ये सबके लिए suitable होगा? Do you think that's the case?
No.
Definitely not. हर client का अपना requirement होगा. So you have an option to edit the policy. So first you select whether you want to create enhanced policy. Enhance को ही edit करना है या आपको standard को करना है. So I'm going with standard just to have less confusion. यहाँ पर look at this. The moment I click on standard, every 4 hours वगैरह बहुत सारे options आ जाते हैं. So I'm keeping it standard. And now I'm editing the policy. Guys, please be focused on this. बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं बैकअप पॉलिसी पे, एंड जो भी रेज्यूम सैंपल में दूंगा ना उसमें डेफिनेटली लिखा होता है दैट इन माय प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई हैव कॉन्फ़िगर्ड द पॉलिसीज, बैकअप पॉलिसीज. तो द मोमेंट यू हैव रिटन दैट यू हैव कॉन्फ़िगर्ड द बैकअप पॉलिसीज और इसमें से आप कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हो ना, then it clearly shows that you are lying on your resume, right? So if you don't understand something, please ask me to repeat. So which policy are we creating as standard or enhance?
Standard.
Sorry, standard, right? यहाँ पर
Standard,
आप
sir.
अपना नेम दे सकते हो, जो भी आपको चाहिए नाम आप दे सकते हो, ठीक है. Now frequency daily हो सकता है, but is it necessary to take daily? No, you
No,
can go ahead with weekly also, but application owner says no, I want daily. Fine, you want daily, here I'm giving you daily. What time? Who will decide the time, guys? Do you think as an Azure engineer you should decide a time
Client.
for someone else's application?
Client. The owner.
Yes,
Client.
App owner, the client, they will tell you कि भाई मेरा जो है बैंकिंग एप्लीकेशन है 9 PM के बाद कोई यूज नहीं करता है, डेफिनेटली कोई यूज नहीं करता 9 PM के बाद. सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट टाइम अकॉर्डिंगली, और मे बी कोई भी पोर्टल है, ठीक है, इट कुड बी एनी टाइम, इट्स अप टू देयर एप्लीकेशन, वी डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस जैसा भी होगा इनका उस तरह से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्विगी ऐप है, ठीक है, किसी ऐसे रिमोट एरिया में जहां पर रिमोट एरिया या टियर 2 सिटी, टियर 3 सिटी जहां पे स्विगी तो आ गया है, बट 12 के बाद वहां पर कोई होटल खुला ही नहीं होता है. so they don't accept any order after 12. तो अब 12 के बाद they can say it is available, कि ठीक है आप जो है बैकअप अपना 12:30 बजे शुरू कर सकते हो. which time zone? obviously client will tell you कि कौन सा टाइम जोन की बात चल रहा है, कहां पर चल रहा है, ठीक है. In this case we are simply going to take any time zone because we are not waiting, इसका बैकअप रन होने तक हम वेट नहीं करने वाले. so let's take any time zone. Okay, This is the one, instance restore. ये है जो हम वहां पर पढ़ रहे थे, retention वाला. How many can I have here, guys? Maximum?
5.
5
Sure.
5 days.
Okay, इसमें थोड़े बहुत बढ़ भी जाते हैं. Let's say ये हो. No, it is, see. What does it say? Only 5.
Value.
ये बढ़ते
Yeah.
One
कहाँ
to
पर है?
five.
Enhance में.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Enhanced
Standard
में
में 5.
3 होते हैं और स्टैंडर्ड में 5.
okay, so I can take 2. So what does it mean? Now every day it will take a backup. The backup will be here, and 3 machines will be available for me to instance restore. I'm taking it 3. And उसके बाद जो है वो सारे vault में move हो जाएंगे. Is this clear, guys? Still here? What does it mean? Instant recovery का क्या मतलब हुआ?
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Retention of daily backup point. ठीक है, यहां तक मैंने ये तो बता दिया कि जो है डेली 230 को मेरा एक बैकअप होना चाहिए. इट इज टेकिंग बैकअप. आपने ये भी बता दिया कि 3 बैकअप जो है क्विक रिस्टोर में होना चाहिए, वो भी हो गया. बट हाउ मेनी बैकअप्स डू यू वांट? कंटिन्यू बैकअप 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 लेते ही रहोगे, और इज देयर अ लिमिट? So there is a
There
limit
doesn't-
which talks here. Let's
30
see
days.
how many can we have here. Can we have 1? The value should be
Yes.
between
अच्छा
7 to
7.
9999. Remember these numbers, guys, because see, when you claim that you have worked for 3 years and you say कि हाँ मैं policy तो आए दिन बनाता रहता था, then if you don't remember these numbers, वैसे बहुत crucial नहीं होते ये number, but these numbers are just to check because ये numbers change होते रहते हैं काफी बार. They keep enhancing. कम तो बहुत ही rare होंगे, बढ़ते रहते हैं. But you can have a number 7 and 9999. Okay, is this
So
clear, guys?
minimum 7.
Minimum 7. तो मिनिमम 7 days. अच्छा, अगर मैं enhance पे जाता, just imagine this is enhance and this one I'm taking as 10, though it's not possible now. ठीक है, but still I'm taking this as a 10 enhance and I'm saying कि हाँ ठीक है, ये 7 days का ही सही है. Does it make any sense? Will it accept it? Let's say ये enhance होता जहां पर मुझको 30 allowed होते हैं and I'm saying कि instant restore में 10 रखना और total 7 होने चाहिए.
Possibly नहीं हो.
It
Logic.
will give you an error.
The
When we go,
limitations
if you
अलग
want, you
हो
can
गए
go
ना.
there and check. But here, we're taking it 3. और यहाँ minimum 7 लेने हैं तो वो 3 से ज्यादा ही नंबर है. No matter if you take minimum, ये अपने आप कवर हो गया. अगर मैं यहाँ पर 2 ये करता, then it should throw an error इस वाले इक्वेशन में. But उससे पहला एरर क्या है? That minimum is 7. So you take 7, ये अपने आप ही कंडीशन मीट हो गई. और यहाँ पर can I take it 8?
No.
Right. I cannot. Right. ये इक्वेशन तो सेकेंडरी है, बट यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम 5 अलाउड है. सो ये आपका अपने आप ये हो गया. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now why am I keeping it only for 30 days? मैं 60, 90, 120 days के लिए क्यों नहीं रख रहा हूँ? Why? Cost.
Cost
अगर
बढ़ेगी.
मेरा 1 TB का मशीन है तो imagine I'm paying for 30 TB, मैं 30 दिन रख रहा हूँ, तो 30th जो नया आएगा ना, उसके बाद वो 30th वाला डिलीट होगा. आज अगर नया आता है तो 30th वाला तब जाकर डिलीट होगा. Are you guys getting that clearly? कि कैसे होता है? How the old one will get deleted?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to open an Excel file and explain it? Yes, guys. Yes, no, maybe.
A bit
Explain
confusion
करो.
is.
Sure. Guys, do not wait for me to ask. I understand. See, when I say this, it sounds easy. मेरे mind में वो easy sound कर रहा है because I have been doing that, right? But you are listening to it for the first time. But I cannot just figure it out. You guys will have to tell me. Okay. So let's say that this is my machine, VM1. This is my backup, 001, 02. Let's keep it 20 तक रखते हैं, ठीक है? ज्यादा इजी होगा आप लोगों को समझने. अब इसके आगे आप 20 रख लो, 30 रख लो, कितने भी रख लो, सेम लॉजिक सेम है. Okay, this is my VM. This is today's date. Now I can't remember the formula. What I want here, it's old date. ठीक है, imagine this is 16 This is 15, 14, 13, 12. Any Excel expert we have here who can help me quickly? It's okay if you don't have. Are you guys getting the point here? These all are August
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And this must be July then. Now,
30.
this is
That
the
is
backup.
30. Not 31.
30
This is
and
the backup we have. Got it, guys? Sorry, you're saying something?
It should be 30. 30, not 31.
Ah, July. That's okay. Sorry.
The date, July, yeah.
Got it. Got it, guys. So this is my latest backup. Now, the moment this 17 will change to 18, मतलब कल एक नया backup बनेगा. So what do you think? What will happen? कल एक जब नया backup बनेगा, so what should happen?
29. 29 will
ये
be
जो
get deleted.
29th वाला है ना, ये by default delete हो जाएगा. Because what have I said here? Let's make it 20. इसको हम realistic example लेकर चलते हैं. 20.
so it will get
With this
permanently
policy.
deleted.
Yes, permanently deleted. Your
Okay.
backup of 29th of July is going to be deleted tomorrow. ये आपका delete हो गया. And then यहाँ पर एक नया backup बन गया. यहाँ पर आपका एक ऊपर जो है नया backup बन गया, which is
18 का
yes.
मतलब वो डे बाय डे शिफ्ट होता जाएगा.
Exactly. Visible, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the moment it goes here, now you will have your backup, the new backup. You can call it whatever you want, backup 00, but this is your newest backup. 18th, though we are not there, but I'm just taking the example. It's not 18 today. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
ठीक है. If you want to take this example, आप लोगों को अगर ऐसे भी देखना है तो ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो एग्जाम्पल को. चलो यहाँ से लेते हैं, then it will be easier. 18, 19 and 20. Let's say these are 20 backups we have. In future dates, we'll have to imagine now in future dates. This is how it is going to be. Okay, and the moment now you have next backup, which is the next backup? It will be your 6th of
Nine.
September. It will be your backup 21. But what will happen with this? The moment you have backup 21,
17
आपका
August
जो
will be
17 will be
deleted.
backup 1 जो है वो delete हो जाएगा.
Delete
Naming
हो
convention
जाएगा.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. You don't have to worry. ठीक है, don't go के वो नाम ऐसे होगा ये होगा. We don't have to worry about it. Understand the logic. Is this clear to everyone, guys?
Yeah.
The
Yes.
moment you एक यहाँ बनेगा, एक यहाँ से delete होता रहेगा, एक यहाँ बनेगा, एक यहाँ से delete होता रहेगा. That is what your 20 days का policy is, the one which we are discussing here. Retention of daily backup. Got it? Now, retention of weekly backup point. This is very important, guys. Don't get confused. I'm saying कि ठीक है, अब इसके मेरे कितने बैकअप रह रहे हैं guys? With this method, कितने बैकअप रहेंगे at the time मेरे पास?
20.
20. Which is the oldest one will I have? अगर आज की बात करते हो तो oldest कौन सा होगा? आज से 20 दिन पहले, right? आज से
Yes.
20 days पहले का मेरा ये होगा. ये तो हमने फ्यूचर का एग्जांपल लिया था ना. But if I want to see today, which is the oldest backup I have, तो कौन सा होगा मेरे पास?
28 का
जो भी 20 दिन पहले का होगा. But now I'm saying कि यार मुझको जो है, I want to restore something from 3 months back. Do you think it is possible with this one, with this case, with this policy?
No, no.
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 Right? तो यहाँ पर एक और क्या ऑप्शन दिया है इन्होंने, that आप डेली तो लेते रहो, ठीक है, डेली लेते रहो, but on particular day you can take another backup. डेली बैकअप के साथ एक और बैकअप, या वही बैकअप समझ लो. ठीक है, I select that. What is today? It's Saturday, right? So I say Sunday 12:30 a.m. एक बैकअप होना चाहिए which should last for 12 weeks. 12 weeks काफी होता है, ठीक है, which should last for 12 weeks. अब क्या होगा देखो यहां पर, one minute guys. Where do I have, where I can find, yeah. So the moment I apply that policy, every backup which will happen on Sunday, every backup which will happen on Sunday, ठीक है, this is how what we are getting. ये बैकअप जो है एक अलग से एक और कॉपी सेव होता रहेगा, यहां से डिलीट होता रहे, इट्स ओके, ठीक है, ये 20 के अलावा ये एक और सेव होता रहेगा. Are you guys getting it? Apart from
Yes.
these
Yeah.
20, ये और बैकअप जो है वीकेंड वाला बैकअप का एक अलग से कॉपी सेव होता रहेगा. And how many?
12.
12. Because I have selected 12, so 12. Let's keep it 3. हम इसको 3 रखते हैं. Because I got only 3 here, तो हम इसको 3 रखते हैं यहाँ पर. और let's make it 5. ठीक है, 5 रखते हैं हम इसको. और keep it 12. That's okay. 12. Now, what is the significance? या फिर क्या आपको क्या समझ में आया इससे कि what will happen exactly? क्या सिनेरियो में आप ऐसा यूज कर सकते हो?
वीकली हमारा डेली डेटा तो अगर से डिलीट हो रहा है तो ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे पास एक वीकली कॉपी भी रहेगी बैकअप में, मतलब इमरजेंसी के लिए अगर से हमें चाहिए रहेगा किसी वीक का डेटा तो वी कैन पुल आउट
Yes.
फ्रॉम देयर.
So see, understand guys. Now whatever is happening in these 5 days, that is being saved here. ठीक है, ये 5 दिन में जितना कुछ हुआ है, इसका तो एक बैकअप है, इसका भी बैकअप है, इसका भी है, इसका भी है, और वो सब कुछ यहाँ पर भी है. But with time, these backups will be deleted. ये वाले जो बैकअप है वो डिलीट होने वाले हैं. कौन से? जो वीकली आपके हैं, सॉरी डेली वाले जो है
Daily.
वो आपके डिलीट होने वाले हैं. ठीक है, with time this is going to be deleted. This is going to be deleted. जैसे और नेक्स्ट 5 डेज आएगा ना, ये आपके डिलीट हो गए. एंड नाउ यू से कि यार मुझको कुछ ऐसा चाहिए जो 24 तारीख को था. ठीक है, आई मेड अ चेंज, आई मेड सम चेंजेस इन द फाइल ऑन 24th of August, बट नाउ आई कैन सी कि 24th of August का तो डिलीट हो गया है. So in that time you can go ahead and restore the file from this one, क्योंकि ये आपने 12 वीक के लिए संभाल कर रखा है. Is this clear guys?
यस सर.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
तो दिस इज नथिंग बट जस्ट टू सेव अनदर कॉपी. अब ये संडे हो या कोई भी दिन हो, ये डिपेंड करता है एप्लीकेशन पे. किसी कोई बैंकिंग एप्लीकेशन होगा, वो शायद हर फ्राइडे को जब उनका बिजनेस क्लोज होता है वो वैसे रखेंगे कि यार हर फ्राइडे को बहुत मेजर चेंजेस होते हैं. सॉरी, लेट्स से डेली नहीं होते, हर फ्राइडे को मेजर चेंज होते हैं, तो फ्राइडे टू फ्राइडे एक एक कॉपी अलग से रखो. नाउ सिमिलर अप्रोच अप्लाइज हियर मंथली. ठीक है, इसको मैं उतना डिटेल में नहीं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. इसी में से जो है अब एक कॉपी को मंथली रखा करो, जो भी होता है लेट्स से फर्स्ट ऑफ एवरी मंथ. ना ये संडे और वो साथ में आ रहा है, कोइंसिडेंस है, लेट्स से सेकंड ऑफ एवरी मंथ. इसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार आप एक मंथली भी रखा करो. कितनी कॉपी चाहिए मुझको? 2 कॉपी चाहिए. तो एक कब हो जाएगा? एक आपका सितंबर में होगा, एक अक्टूबर में होगा. डोंट गो बाय द नेम. ठीक है, ये नेम से कंफ्यूज मत होना. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस नाउ? कि यहां पर आपके पास 30 है और उसी में से निकाल के कुछ 4 को हमने लॉन्गर पीरियड के लिए रखा और उसी में से 2 निकाल के और लॉन्गर पीरियड के लिए रखा है. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस टिल हियर?
यस.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Now similarly we can have yearly retention point. Yearly retention point, maximum time you will see it in banking application, and you will see it
March ending.
March. What will be the date? What do you think?
31st March.
31st March. Most of the time you will see it that it should occur in this weekly basis or day base पे रखना है तो 31st March. Can someone tell me what is the significance? Q 31st March?
ईयर एंड होता है ना
Economical year.
Yes. And now they can keep this data for 10 years. अब वो एक ही कॉपी को संभाल के कितना पुराना डेटा रख सकते हैं. So 10 साल में 10 कॉपी बनेगी, जब 11th कॉपी बनेगी जब पहली वाली कॉपी डिलीट होगी. Is this clear guys to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
बट नॉर्मली ये सब नहीं देखोगे आप, डेली वाला जो है वही बैकअप दिखता है. बट यू शुड नो बैकअप पॉलिसी डेफिनेटली पूछी जाती है आपसे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द पॉलिसीज व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड, द मशीन्स व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी बैक्ड अप. लुक एट देम. और लेट मी स्टार्ट अ बैकअप. एक्चुअली बैकअप टेक्स टाइम, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो मैं शुरू करके बता देता हूं, देन आई विल गो टू द बैकअप व्हिच आई ऑलरेडी हैव. So imagine this machine, इस पे हमको बैकअप शुरू करना है. We can create a new vault or we can select an existing vault. मैंने existing vault select कर लिया. इसका नाम है new vault, but this is an existing vault. Don't get confused guys. Now it's not necessary कि एक vault में एक ही policy हमेशा चलेगी. ठीक है, vault में you can have multiple policies. Default policy or create new policy or edit policy, whatever you want. ठीक है. ये क्या policy बोल रहा है? Backup एक चाहिए. Retain for 2 days. Retention backup point for 30 days. I'm happy with this. Now, to this machine, it has 2 disks. Do I want to back up both the disk or only OS disk? That you always get an option. It's not necessary कि आप सारे के सारे डिस्क को ये करोगे. Imagine I have a machine जिसमें 13 डिस्क है, जिसमें से 5 disks are temporary. Do I want the backup? No, I don't want the backup. Temporary disk है जिसमें सिर्फ इंटरनेट का temporary data save होता है. Every new session will have new data. जो हर restart पे automatically delete कर देता है, वो data किसी काम का ही नहीं है. तो why should I waste my backup on that? But ये सब कौन बताएगा? App owner. Can I leave the OS disk and just back up the data disk? Is it possible, guys? I mean, answer is already there on the screen, by the way.
OS disk is disabled over here.
Yes. No, it's not disabled. It is selected and it is grayed out. You cannot deselect it.
अच्छा, so it is the by default.
By default, and it is a mandatory. Data disk you choose. आपको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. 4 disk है तो दो में उसमें से 2 चाहिए. OS disk has to be there. Got it?
Yes.
Use enable backup. Now what is it? 6:30 PM. ठीक है, मैंने enable कर दिया. It is validating. Machine is in stop mode. What do you think? Will it work? एकदम favorite question है interviewers का. In stop mode, can you deploy the backup? जब तक हो रहा है, guess yes or no. वो हो जाएगा तो आंसर आपको वैसे ही मिल जाएगा. Either it will fail or it will give success. But what do you think?
Yes, it should.
It should. It should. Backup will happen. The first time setup होगा या नहीं? That I'm not sure. That I think it will fail. या हो भी सकता है. Let's see. Backup definitely हो जाता है. To answer your question, shutdown machine में backup हो जाता है for sure. First time setup होगा या नहीं होगा? That I'm not sure because sometimes it sends some agent to be installed on your machine. So if it is already shut down condition, it might fail या हो भी जाएगा. We'll get, both of us will get the answer here. They keep on changing things. So जब तक आप खुद practice नहीं करते हो, you will not understand this. Once this is done here, what you will see, first let me check क्या status बता रहा है इसका. ठीक है. So once it is done, guys, how will you say it? Let me show it to you. So this is the VM which already has backup, I guess. Yes. तो जब backup हो जाता है ना, guys, this is how it looks. Now look at this. I have 2 backups here. यहाँ पर what do you think? What option will I have? Will I have an option to restore या यहाँ पर भी मुझको disk से जाकर बनाना है like image and restore point? Restore point में what we had to do? We had to go to the disk and create it. Right? So what do you think here? Do I have to do that?
It will directly restore.
Yes, it gives you an option
Restore
to
VM.
restore directly.
Right.
ठीक है, अब restore में काफी options है. Restore VM as a new, replace, file recovery, restore part we'll see tomorrow. But As of now, is this clear how to capture a backup? This is how it will look.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर आपको multiple दिखेंगे. Let's go to the machine where we selected. So your answer has been your question has been answered. Even if the machine is shut down, you can configure the backup and backup will happen. Backup होगा, that is for sure. I tried it yesterday itself. And see, the moment I click there, ये मैं कहाँ पर आ गया? सर्विस वॉल्ट में. बैकअप की कोई भी चीज देखनी है, सर्विस वॉल्ट में आना है. ठीक है, यहां पर आके मुझको दिखेगा कि कौन सी चीजें बैकअप हो रही है, कौन सी चीजें पर क्या हो रहा है. तो लुक एट द बैकअप. यहां से आप ऐड कर सकते हो और मल्टीपल मशीन्स. यहां पर जाना है आपको बैकअप में, और आई विल शो इट टू यू टुमारो. लेट्स नॉट मेक यू कंफ्यूज. अभी मैं वो चीज बताता हूँ जो ऑलरेडी बैकअप है. कितनी मशीन्स बैकअप की हमने इसके अंदर न्यू वॉल्ट में?
2
नो, वी डिड ओनली वन.
Only
As of now, only
ONS.
one. Only one we did. This one I already did. अभी हमने मशीन पे जाकर किया था. Which one was that? Was it VM1 or 2? कौन सी थी गाइस वो मशीन? VM1 थी या VM2 थी?
VM2 थी.
Oh,
How do you know that?
waiting for warning initial backup.
Yes.
Initial backup pending दिखा रहा है.
Yes. Look at this guys. Even if you don't remember, यहाँ पर clearly दिख रहा है that 17
Dates.
को जो है 2 बजे एक already backup
हाँ.
हो गया है. What is the time now? It's almost
It's
5.
5
So something which we are setting up at 5 p.m. can it have a backup at 2 p.m.? No, it cannot. And look at this. It says waiting for initial backup. What does it mean?
सेटअप बाकी है.
No. Setup has been done. Backup pre-checks has been done. ये जो टाइम सेलेक्ट किया था ना, by default टाइम था वहां पर 6:30 UTC.
हाँ.
That time the first backup will run. But if you want, you can go ahead here and run the backup manually. Otherwise, first backup run होगा जो टाइम आपने ये कर रखा था वो. Or you can run the first backup manually. अब जब आप manually करोगे, then you can select the time कि ये कब तक रिटर्न करना चाहिए. ठीक है. And when it happens automatically, जो schedule लगा रखा है, तो वो कितने दिन रहेगा? What time have you selected in policy? जितना भी हमने सेलेक्ट किया है, 20 दिन वगैरह जो भी हमने सेलेक्ट किया वो होगा. आई एम नॉट श्योर इवन इफ वी यूज दैट पॉलिसी या कोई और पॉलिसी यूज कर ली. बट आर यू गेटिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
ये बैकअप हो जाएगा तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस सिमिलरली. बस एक बैकअप दिखने वाला है. गॉट इट गाइस? क्लियर है यहाँ तक?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we have only 30 seconds left. I'll be closing this session. See you guys tomorrow, Sunday. We do 11 a.m. right? The timing is given in the group. I'll share the link tomorrow. Please join on time, and we'll do the restore point. कल हम इसको restore करना सीखेंगे.
Well, bhai,
Be quick, रजाक भाई. Session खत्म होने वाला है. Tell me. It's okay, guys. Tomorrow I'll have one more session.
वो जो आपने
Q&A.
यूजर नंबर पासवर्ड शेयर किया था यूट्यूब पे,
Sorry, which username and password?